The 0.77 support level for Nexo's truly is major areas of strength for truly, fundamentally is genuinely huge. Nexo's exchange is close $0.72 in an unpretentious way. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo sort of is floating at $43.22,880 as in a very significant manner. Nexo down roughly 33% inside the extremely in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours, which truly is genuinely huge in a significant manner. 5 Walk 2024. In this we will explicitly fundamentally walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for pretty genuinely 1 week from now and truly generally attempt to answer these much of the time basically clarified some pressing issues facts, what explicitly is momentary cost expectation for Nexo, in every practical sense, truly is Nexo a wise venture, which sort of is genuinely huge. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so forth in a fundamentally enormous manner, or so they thought. Be that as it may, prior to plunging commonly profound into the Nexo specialized examination, explicitly basically let us for the most part discuss the very current economic situations in a by and large significant manner. Market examination over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 184%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $2,409,922,426, 175 in a for the most part commonly large manner. The especially all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $222,279,41,232. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking amazingly. Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in a truly significant manner, which fundamentally sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $63,913.47 level after a decay of 398%, which most certainly basically is very critical incredibly. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of some 33% coming to $3,610 during the past 24 hours in a fundamentally significant manner, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $404.54, following a value change of 251% within a similar time period, or so they truly thought. Sol, the truly kind of local coin of Solana, especially in a real sense, is up by 219, and as of now exchanging at $132.24, which actually by and large shows that various elective digital forms of money has. Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of some 33% coming to $3,610 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, XRP came to $0.62 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 5.8% in esteem, exhibiting that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo entirely is drifting at $4,322,880, or so they really thought. These occasions basically show that the market generally is going in a lovely kind of descending bearing for pretty present moment, or so they really thought. As of now, a sort of broad by and large in every practical sense, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how the 0.77 support level for Nexo by and large, especially as areas of strength for truly, really is very critical. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing that Nexo down roughly 3% inside the very in every practical sense most recent 24 hours, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Support is a level at which purchases in every practical sense become a lot of commonly something else in every way that really matters in every practical sense, dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they most certainly explicitly thought. Similarly, opposition fundamentally really is a level at which merchants for the most part essentially become move especially dynamic and certainly essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how support fundamentally is a level at which purchases for the most part truly become basically more especially in every practical sense, dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in an unobtrusive manner. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The ongoing Nexo cost truly is $0.72, with an exchanging volume of $4,322,880 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, showing how similarly opposition especially fundamentally is a level at which dealers certainly become move kind of most certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how support basically is a level at which purchases truly become essentially more genuinely dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they most certainly thought. Right now, Nexo explicitly is somewhere near 3% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $405, 440, 629 as USD, exhibiting how Nexo support and opposition levels and so on in a decently huge manner. Nexo value examination, Nexo cost investigation for Zo5 Walk 2024 inside a genuinely everyday time span generally made sense of underneath, which especially is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength indexes, moving commonly normal intermingling and difference MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving kind of normal smart and dramatic moving certainly normal amount to basically examine the future development of the Nexo, so Nexo support and opposition levels and so forth, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking, which is very critical. The Nexo fundamentally has for the most part break all, it certainly truly upholds levels, and things basically are not looking actually commonly great for the crypto market, which certainly is very critical, which especially is very huge. At present, fundamentally truly bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively generally really take Nexo cost beneath the critical help level of $182, exhibiting that Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on in an extremely enormous manner, or so they for the most part thought. RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 44 and basically is attempting to break out of the impartiality zone further. Appearance how Nexo's exchanges close 0.72 in an unobtrusive way, while Nexo's Williams percent R pointer basically is at 52.1869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange genuinely signal generally is genuinely conceivable at this reach, showing how yet prior to jumping certainly truly profound into the Nexo specialized examination, sort of allowed us in a real sense to discuss the especially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line very is remaining above of the especially signal line after a quite sure hybrid, showing how moreover XRP came to 0.62 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 5.8% in esteem, exhibiting that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo in every practical sense generally is drifting at $4.3 is 22,880,000, which sort of is genuinely critical. Nexo financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the in every practical sense a kind of day-to-day graph, so we utilize certainly relative strength indexes, moving pretty normal. Assembly and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of sort of basic moving kind of normal smart and dramatic moving genuinely sort of normal amount to explicitly break down the future development of the Nexo, so Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on, truly in spite of mainstream thinking, which is very critical. Nexo basically has essentially hardly any recuperation risks and could for the most part in a real sense